I'm going to prepare a musical surprise for her. I will swap her meditation music for hard rock. Redhead wants to relax. She sits in a lotus pose and dreams about the relaxation. The only thing left to do is to turn an appropriate musical piece on, but loud, hard rock comes out of the speaker instead of a relaxing melody. You definitely won't relax with music like this. What time is it? It's lunchtime! Redhead has prepared the most beautiful sandwich for me. It's so kind of her. I offer for her to take a bite, but she refuses. Okay, fine. I will get the entire deliciousness for myself. Take a green foam rubber sheet, round the corners. Add water to acrylic paint and cover the foam rubber. Draw leaf veins with the sharp end of a brush. Add one more layer of acrylic paint to make the color of the leaf even more natural. Pull up the foam rubber to stretch it a bit. Make wavy edges. Put the leaf onto a hot iron. Let it stay for a few seconds. Take it off and smooth it out. Now, put the fake lettuce leaf onto a real sandwich. I try to bite and bite and bite, but there is a suspiciously inedible lettuce leaf between bread and cheese. It's foam rubber. It disguises itself as food, but I figured out everything quickly. I'm not going to eat these chemicals, so I will take my friend's fresh tomato. I want to return the favor. I will make flavored coffee for her. Mix soy sauce and mustard in a bowl or a cup. Pour it into a Ziploc bag. Stick a straw in the middle. Zip it up, fold the edges, and tape them. Put it into the coffee cup. Cut off the excess straw. Close the lid. Redhead takes a sip. Her reaction is immediate. Help! Give me some water! It's so disgusting! Well, friend, watch out! I've prepared unusual Fanta for my friend. It has fewer calories and less taste, and she'll heartily enjoy it. Open a bottle of Fanta. Pour it into a cup. Pour some water into another cup. Add food coloring to make it look like the drink. Pour colored water into the empty Fanta bottle. I open a bottle of Fanta, but there's colored water instead of a sweet drink. It's absolutely tasteless. This Fanta has definitely passed the quality control. My friend wants to have lunch, but she forgets to take a fork. Excellent! I have a special fork she will certainly like. Need some sugar paste in your hands. Roll it out using a cup or a rolling pin. Put a fork on top and trace it with a knife, cutting it out. Make cuts between the prongs. Take away the excess. When the flat dummy is ready, put it on top of a real fork to get a curved shape. Let it harden. Paint the sugar paste with silver food coloring. The fake fork looks exactly like the real one. I give the fork to my friend. She pricks a potato with it, puts it into her mouth, and bites a few prongs. Is it a miracle? How could I bite off the metal? I haven't broken my teeth. Is it a special fork made out of some sort of soft material? And it tastes like sugar paste. The fork dessert is just what I need to finish my lunch. I will treat my friend to a dessert. I offer 2 cones for her to choose. She still has a chance not to fail my prank, but she makes the wrong choice and takes the cone with the fake ice cream. Smooth out colorful cotton candy with your hands and shape it into balls of different sizes. Put the balls into a wafer cone and add some topping. My friend bites off the sweet cone. This ice cream certainly isn't made from milk. It's rather made out of cotton candy, but nevertheless, it is very delicious too. Did you like our pranks? Then write in your comments how you are going to prank your friends. Will you arrange a fake birthday party, make a sweet fork, or prepare mustard-flavored coffee? And the most important thing, don't forget to give your thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell to keep up with our new funny prank ideas for your friends.